Welcome to the 15th episode of Qapsule, a digital series dedicated for enriching understanding on quality concepts at Tata Steel. Let's consume, learn, and excel. Today we will be discussing about management review, or in short MR. A management review or MR is a formal, structured meeting, which involves top management and takes place at regular intervals throughout the year. These reviews are critical and important for sustaining management system practices, be it ISO or IATF. These reviews help in evaluating the effectiveness of a management system. A management review also ensures that all levels of management are made aware of any changes, updates, revisions, etc. We should keep in mind that there is a difference between management meetings and management reviews. The former may address the day-to-day working practices, sales, production, resources and staffing matters, but the management review focuses solely on the requirements of the management system, that is any standard, be it ISO or IATF, to which the organization, division or department is certified. Now let's understand, what does a standard generally say about management review. The standard we are referring to may be for any domain, say quality, environment, health or safety, energy management, or related to automotive or laboratory, etc. It states that top management shall review the organization's quality management system, at planned intervals, at least annual as per some standards, to ensure its continuing suitability, adequacy, effectiveness and alignment with the strategic direction of the organization. The frequency of management reviews shall be increased based on risk to comply with customer requirements, resulting from internal or external changes impacting the quality management system or any other management system and performance-related issues. As per international standards, which points are to be considered for a management review? Some of the points which are to be considered in management reviews are: the status of actions from previous management reviews, changes in external and internal issues, information on the performance and effectiveness of the management system, the adequacy of resources, risks and opportunities for improvement. These are basic requirements for a quality management system or QMS, while other standards may require additional points that are to be considered. For example, automotive QMS additionally considers cost of poor quality or COPQ, measures of process effectiveness and efficiency, product conformance for new product or existing ones, and warranty performance, customer satisfaction and scorecards, review of performance against maintenance objectives, field failures and their impact. The outputs of the management review shall include decisions and actions related to any need for changes to the quality management system, opportunities for improvement, any need of resources. All the outputs of MR are to be documented. Additionally, top management shall also document and implement an action plan when customer performance targets are not met. While these are not limited to, but these are some of the typical outputs. Management review outputs are intended to improve your business. What is the process of management review, or the management review approach? To make management system effective, the member of top management that has overall responsibility for the management system is also accountable for convening, attending and reporting of management reviews. Hence, the process of management review is broadly classified into 3 segments, that is, before, during, and after. A management review should be prepared for in advance. We need to decide the schedule, what points are to be discussed or the agenda points, along with responsibility distribution, and who should attend the meeting. ISO standards requires documented information of when the meetings should occur and what will be, and has been discussed. It is a good idea to document the list of attendees too. During MR session, broadly 3 activities are to be followed, that is, reviewing evidences, records and taking minutes. Then checking status of all standards requirements. And finally looking at trends or results. After the review, reporting is done as per the minutes, or selected parts thereof, and it should be distributed to all appropriate members of staff. Next is to follow up the pending points, within defined timeline and action plans, which would be reviewed in the next management review. As we understood that the purpose of a management review meeting is to review and evaluate the effectiveness of your management system. It encourages top management to consider the degree by which the management system functions in accordance with the established operating procedures and processes, is capable of identifying any non-conformities and monitoring subsequent corrective and preventive actions, meets the organization's requirements, achieves the expected results. Finally, we can summarize that management review meetings are designed to ensure that all management system related functions are reviewed at the highest possible level, so that all levels of management are made aware of changes, updates, revisions, verification activities and policies which will ultimately help to achieve any organization's business goal. Thank you for listening. Do like, share, and comment if you liked the video.